My name, ready?
That's for the review.
My name is Andonian Grisable, spelled Andoni for the first name, and last name Aguirrezabal.
My name is Sean Dunford, spelled Seandunford.
My name is Jordi Lucero, first name Jordi, last name Lucero.
My name is Ayaz Hemani, that's Ayaz, last name Hemani, and we are Software Bytes. SOFTWAREBYTES.
Is that one word or two?
One word, capital B.
Okay.
So you can just start whenever you're ready.
Who would like to start?
Did you guys pick a place you're going to look?
I'm looking in the middle.
All
Okay,
right.
go for it.
Hi, my name is Andonian Grisable, and I am the. Okay, let me start over.
Is it on a continual recording? It is.
Just keep
Okay.
going.
Start
Just
out.
keep going.
But if you guys decide you want to start over again, then let's be completely silent for like a couple seconds and then start.
Okay.
So that we know when part to cut.
Perfect. My name is Ayaz Hemani, and I'm the founder of Software Bytes. Should I redo it?
Say your key founder. One of the founders.
Okay. All right.
So
And then
wait,
also what skills you have.
Yeah, what you're doing.
All right. What am I doing? Should I say
Windows
like
Phone, Azure.
Azure? Okay.
Go ahead.
My name is Ayaz Hemani, and I'm the founder of Software Bytes. I'm working
Did it again.
a
What-
founder.
The founder.
Say
A
one of the founders.
one of the founders.
Everybody here, one of the founders.
Yes. Okay. Or should I just? I'm just gonna cut it out.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's start on this side. You're last.
But then we'll go so far and then mess up again. Hi, my name is Andonian Grisable. I am one of the founders of Software Bytes, and I work on the game, the desktop game, and the Connect functionality.
Hi, my name is Sean Dunford, and I'm a .NET developer, mainly C#, doing a lot with the Connect and some of the Unity framework stuff and anything else that comes up that's compiled code.
Hi, my name is Jordi Lucero, and I work on our Windows 8 and mobile apps, and also a little bit with syncing that to Azure.
My name is Ayaz Hemani, and I'm also one of the co-founders of Software Bytes. I'm currently working on the Azure development for our project.
So some of the problems that we're seeing is that a lot of people are trying to focus on ubiquitous sensing, and for one of the examples that they're doing that is calorie counting. But some of the interfaces are really poorly done or not executed properly, so people will download 4 or 5 apps before they really settle on one. But the unfortunate reality is that they've contributed a lot of data to some of these other apps that they were just testing out, and that data is then lost and not being able to use. And then when they do settle on a final app, they only have this small amount of data, and by that they're already done with the whole tracking of things. So what we want to do is provide a system where people can, app developers can decide to contribute or consume health data in all forms, whether it be sleep logs or calorie counts or the amount of push-ups you did, or even small things like how many times you got up and walked to the refrigerator. Or how we're going to prototype that is we have a Connect game that we're developing and a pedometer app that we want to communicate with each other through the Azure framework. And that way we can open up sort of some APIs and an SDK for health app developers that they can sort of pull this digital version of all this data and use it to the advantage. And we know that apps eventually get used up, and people that contribute to the apps eventually find another app or just stop altogether. And the apps are disposable, but the data needs to be recyclable. So we're trying to provide a container that everybody can sort of put data in and then pull from.
So the real problem that we're trying to address is that obesity is an epidemic. So what we're doing to address that is we are making a Connect game that will integrate with the Xbox in order to get users more fit and more active.
So please come check us out. Website coming soon. It's Software Bytes, all one word, capital B.
user pitch, so we really need to
Yeah.
get people on board, like our users.
Do you want it? Well, do we have time to do it again? And then we can take whichever one's better.
We really don't.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
A
fine.
quick one, 1 minute.
I think it's fine.
Or can we add on to it for like?
You can add some, you wanna say something really quick? I mean,
Go
we're
ahead.
already over.
What do we want to say?
Just go.
We're done.
All right, no.
Yeah, juries.
So one of the other big roadblocks on people staying fit and staying healthy is that they do stop using these health apps. It's hard to stay motivated to keep tracking yourself. And so one of the reasons we're making a game that'll use this data is because we want to reward users for doing all of these things and for contributing this data. So, in our game, they'll be doing physical activities like running and jumping, and when they leave the game, they can still keep doing things to contribute to it. So that information can be seen by the game, and we can reward them for it to help keep them motivated to keep doing these things and to stay healthy.
Some of the incentives that we're trying to use are maybe real-world prizes like games or trips, or in-app bonuses, connecting with friends, showing off, maybe an avatar change or special levels.
And eventually, we want this to be available to anybody who makes a game. Whether the game is about health or not, if they want to participate in this movement to get America healthy, then we can make this sort of health SDK available to them so that they can consume the health data from their users and reward them for it.
We want to get data from all sources. We want to get data from when you check into the gym, from possibly when you go to the doctor. We want to be able to sync up anything and everything that you do that is involved with health and technology. Anytime you press a button and it tracks anything about you, we want to store it, and we want you to be able to have that data available at any time.
And one of the more long-term goals of this would be that once you have, years and years of this information with a huge user base, we can make a move to start using this for more overall good in terms of medicine. So let's say Oral-B started an initiative to count when people brush their teeth, how many times a day and for how long. And then we get to have that synced up with medical records. So we say, hey, this person really only brushed their teeth once a day, but after so many years, they developed gingivitis. Well, now we have information that can contribute to that type of study and correlation.
So can we get a call to action, a website you can visit?
We already did this.
Oh,
This
already
was
did?
an addendum to their
Okay.
action. They're done.
All right.
All right.
Quite long.
Sorry about the delay.